Subterra was started in 2015. We are a drainage and plant hire company, along with other utilities as well, but we specialise mainly in drainage pipework.
We started just as a drainage company. From there we tried to be a bit more multidisciplinary, so things that go along with the drainage. So we completed a lot of FRP works in the Western Sydney Airport. We branched out into some ITS, some electrical conduits, plant hire, labour hire. As the client's needs change, we try to adapt and give them what they need.
Currently we're standing on Air West here out at Western Sydney Airport. There's touching 14 kilometres of drainage on this project. We lay anything from 2100s down to 375s. Machine-wise, we have everything from 2.5 tonner up to 50 tonners and everything in between. As Subterra has grown as a business, we've come up against a few issues. One of them would be timesheets, trying to get all the information from site back to office on time. The other would be service of machines, pre-starts of machines, knowing what's actually happening out on site and getting that back in to the office.
When we started, it was only 2 or 3 guys that we had in payroll, and it was very easy to keep track of times and things like that. As we grew into different sites all over Sydney, it became harder to get all that information from the guys about the hours that they worked on that, so we had to change things up. We were looking for a package that would help us gather information from machine pre-starts, timesheets, somewhere we could gather all the information in one place and just make it available to ourselves, our admin team, the clients. And we came across Assignar. They ran us through what their software package could do. And then once we signed up, we were able to clear up all the problems that we had with timesheets. Assignar helps us put the onus back on the guys to take a bit of ownership for their own timesheets and things like that. They provide the information. The timesheets can include what sites they worked on, the hours they worked, what breaks they took. You can go into a lot of detail. The guys are able to do their pre-starts on their machines. They're able to flag any problems that they're having with the machines, and it just means that information gets back to the office straight away and is able to be actioned straight away. To have everything all in one place and be able to share it easily, that's probably the best part about Assignar.